Hello, 5th grade. We're on Domain 5, Lesson 17, Writing Informational Text, Developing the Topic. Our objectives for today is to revise an informational piece. So our task for today is going to be revising. So you've already written your biography and you've written your diary entry. Now you're going to revise it by expanding on our ideas. What that means is there something you can add more detail to? So for example, I will go through my text and I located the word Florence. So yes, Florence is great, and yes, we know it's a place. However, we can add a lot more detail because we know that Florence was a place where it really launched the Renaissance movement. So that's where I can expand. So let's look at what I could add. Well, I could add that it was a great place for artists to live, learn, and work. The Renaissance movement thrived there. Many great artists lived and worked there. Many famous works were created and remain there. Medici family was powerful and great patron of the arts there. Look at all that other detail that I've just added just using the word Florence. So that's what we want you to do. We want you to go back in your text and identify some details that are important that you can expand on. We want you to locate at least 3 of those things that you can expand on and see if you can think beyond them. What other details are interesting that might make it a stronger piece of writing? So you can use facts, definitions, details, quotes, information, examples, anything that you think that you could use to expand on your thoughts. That's going to be really, very powerful to expand your writing. And that's it for today's lesson. We will see everyone in lesson 18.